If you like the idea of gardening but hate daily watering, constant weeding, and still watching plants struggle, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to grow healthier plants with less effort, less time, and far fewer daily tasks, without complicated tools or expert knowledge. Most people struggle with gardening for one simple reason: they're taught to do too much. Daily watering, digging the soil every season, pulling weeds nonstop. It sounds productive, but it actually creates weak plants that depend on constant attention. Overworked soil dries faster, stressed roots grow shallow, and weeds keep coming back stronger. It's not your fault. Traditional advice focuses on effort, not systems. Plants don't need more work, they need stable conditions that let them take care of themselves. The first lazy solution that actually works is mulching everything. Mulch is simply a layer of material like dry leaves, straw, grass clippings, or wood chips placed on top of the soil. To use it, spread a thick layer, about 2 to 3 inches, around your plants. Don't mix it into the soil. Just lay it on top. This locks in moisture so you water far less, blocks sunlight so most weeds never grow, and keeps soil temperature stable. One simple step that cuts watering and weeding by more than half. The second solution is watering deep, not often. Instead of watering a little every day, water slowly and deeply, then leave the plants alone. Wet the soil several inches deep and wait until the top layer dries before watering again. For many plants, this means watering only once or twice a week. Deep watering trains roots to grow downward where moisture lasts longer, makes plants more drought resistant, and prevents overwatering, one of the most common beginner mistakes. Less guessing, less effort, better results. The third solution is growing plants that actually want to live. Choose plants that naturally thrive in your climate instead of forcing high-maintenance ones. Look at what grows well in nearby gardens, parks, or even neglected spaces. Plants like rosemary, mint, thyme, okra, or sweet potatoes often need very little care once established. These plants already understand your weather and soil, resist pests better, and recover faster from neglect. When you stop fighting nature, most of the work disappears. If you want healthy plants without daily effort, this channel is built for you. Every video focuses on simple systems that save time and reduce work. Subscribe if you want gardening that fits real life, not endless chores. Start with just one tip today and let your plants do the rest.